This is the new hottest and latest thing for a bathroom, and that is a bidet toilet seat that you install on your existing toilet. It even comes with a remote. So I want to show you how to install this. This is very popular, and I think you're going to love it. Okay, so when it comes to actually installing the bidet seat, you want to install the bracket first. That's adjustable. It has some standard bolts that connect to the toilet. Not much different than a normal toilet seat. It's just that the bidet seat is actually going to slide on to that bracket, and you want to hear a click when you do that, and then you can adjust it to fit your toilet properly. And then the next step is to install the two-way water supply splitter to your fill valve. Just be sure you use the rubber gasket before you connect it to the fill valve. And then you just want to use a standard toilet water supply to your valve. And I typically just like to hand tighten it and then just go 1/4 turn past tightness with your wrench. And then you connect your supply line from your bidet to the water supply, and then obviously just plug it in and you're ready.
Absolutely love this bidet. I'll demonstrate a little bit, but some of the highlights you can't really show off because it is a bidet. I do love that it comes with this remote that can sit on the side, so you're not awkwardly reaching behind. You can see there's all kinds of functions. I really enjoy being able to choose whether it's rear or front. The dry is nice. It doesn't really blow hard enough to do much, so I don't use that, but the water is heated. And you can control the strength, the position, water pressure. It really is a phenomenal bidet. Super clean. Once it's installed, it's nice and heated water. There is a night light. You can choose how you use that. Very clean and simple. Absolutely love it.